Hi everyone, my name is Kamalnath and I will show to you multiplication easy trick. Very easy trick of 2 digit to 1 digit. Come, I will show. See here, max multiplication. See, example 49 into 7. This is easy. 7 nines are 63. 63. Right. 7 fours are how much? 7 fours are 28. And we should add this one. 28 plus 6. How much? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We should write here 34. Here is 3. We should write 3. This is the answer. You can check also. See how much? 49 into 7. 7 nines are 63. 6. 7 fours are 28. Sorry. 4. Same answer. This is a easy trick to do the max. You tell to your ma'am. Okay. Bye everyone. Next I will show the 3 digit to 2 digit. I will practice. Okay. And I will show you. Okay. Bye everyone.